Business Intelligence. This is presenter Kim Sebin from Team 7, and our project is Cocktail Recommendation System. The presentation will be topic, background, dataset, and technique, and result and evaluation. At the result, we will show the demonstration of our recommendation system. Our topic is Cocktail Recommendation System. We choose this topic because there are too many kinds of cocktails. Thousands, tens of thousands, or more. And every single cocktail has its own unique name. So for users, it is hard to match with its taste. And also, it is difficult to find or choose the preference of cocktail. Dataset. Our dataset consists of two kinds of dataset. One is the Google Form Survey. Using Google Form Survey, we collected several useful data. First, we collected the major issue that the affects choosing the cocktails. 65 users answered, and this is the result of the question. The first place got flavor, second got alcohol, third garnish ingredient, which is the blank area, and the fourth got the type of glass. And based on it, we choose the features of cocktails, and we can weight it by this ranking. But unfortunately, we did not implement. We excluded the flavor features on our recommendation system because we consider that the flavor is not objective features, and it is subjective response to individual. And also we can see that different dataset presented different flavors for the same cocktail. So we did not use the flavor features on our recommendation system. And we also collected rating data of users. We show 22 kinds of cocktails and rate them as like, no experience, and unlike. The like scored 1, unlike scored -1, no experience for 0. We use this data for collaborative filtering. And we used a cocktail recipe and we implemented to our database. And we used these features such as name, alcoholic, category, image, type of glass, and ingredient. And let's see about our techniques, our algorithm that we implemented to our recommendation system. First one is content-based filtering. The content-based filtering has no cold start, and also it is easier to scale to a large number of users. And also we have a lot of features on cocktails, so we can consider them. And also in our database we have over 500 of cocktails. So using this content-based filtering, we can capture the specific interest of users. We used a cosine similarity to find the similarity to the user selection and the cocktail database. And this is the features used in content-based filtering. We use alcohol presence and cocktail category, which is shot, punch, milkshake, and etc., and type of glass, and ingredients, which is included base of cocktails. And also we included cocktail making instruction. This is example data of the CBF. And second is collaborative filtering. The collaborative filtering is easy to implement and also context independent, and it has more accuracy than CBF, but it has a cold start problem and a third first rater problem. And also for us, we do not have enough information of rating data, so we have those both problem. And we used Pearson correlation, similarity, and Euclidean distance to calculate similarity between user selection and rating data. This is example of the dataset of CF, and we use these two filtering and combine to one single recommendation list. And if CF does not have enough rating data, we use switching, and we only provide CBF as a result. And if there are enough information for CF, we combine two recommendation lists and show one recommendation list to users. Results and evaluation. First, about the evaluation, we use this the partial data of survey. At the survey, as I mentioned, we collected the rating data of 22 kind of cocktails, and 25% of that data we use it as an input, and rest of them we use it as an evaluation, as a test data. And this is the result of it. And as you see, the CF has a higher error rate, and it is because we do not have enough rating user data of CF. And also hybrid, this is because we combine two filtering to one. And about the result, in the web, user can select their own preference of cocktails, and we show the recommendation list. And after that, the user's rating will be stored in our database, and it will be used as user rate data for improving our CF. And let's see our demonstration. And this is the web. As you see, we show the cocktails, and you can rate it like, unlike. Like will be 1, unlike will be 0, and if you don't click, it will be 0. And if you click like, it will refresh, and the liked cocktail will be stored here. You can see it below. And if you finished your rating, you can click this recommendation button to show the recommendation list. And also, if you don't have any cocktails that you can pass it. And after the few several steps, you can get your recommendation list. The first tab is the hybrid recommendation list, and second and third is just show the recommendation list of CF and the recommendation of CBF. This is your recommendation list. Let's see a recommendation list of CF. How? It is why because we don't have enough rate data of selected cocktails. We do not have rating data of these, so we cannot recommend you with this CF. But we can give you the context-based filtering recommendation list. And this is the end of demonstration. And thank you.